Hey guys, so this is a quick video. If you want to get G20 Max, what are the cons of it? What are the reasons why you shouldn't? So yes, it got strong suction power, that's great. Solid battery life, searchlight on the brush head, that's great too, as you can see right here. Anti-tangle brush design, dedicated pet brush included. So even for the pets, and in that way, it's like it could be like very good. But there are some like important things for you to know. So the first thing is that the high power mode is actually destroying the battery. So power mode lasts like few minutes. At full power, you see the percentage going down like it was the countdown clock at a basketball game. So that's something to be aware of, okay? It's a bit heavy. And the top heavy G2 Max weighs like 2.5 kilos. So like 4.2 kilos. And that's also like another thing that you can see right here. Another thing is that also the anti-tangle isn't perfect. The anti-tangle feature aims to reduce the higher entanglement but does not prevent completely. And that's like another thing. It's not like ultra insane. If the vacuum cleaner has sucked in liquids, the liquid entering the motor can cause the device to stop working. No, like this is not for the wet things, okay? So smaller dustbin than some competitors, and battery needs periodic changing even when stored. So yeah, that's another thing. And bulky, hard to hide. This is like the last thing, but that's pretty much it. Other than it's like it's a good product. I wouldn't say like it's a bad product. And great suction, excellent filtration, useful pet accessories. But there are like cons that I wanted to share that maybe are going to be important to you. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.